Do you like traveling?
Yes, I love it.
What's your dream destination?
I want to visit Japan.
Have you ever traveled abroad?
Yes, a few times.
Where did you go last vacation?
I went to Italy.
How was your trip?
It was amazing.
Do you prefer beaches or mountains?
I love beaches.
Do you like traveling alone or with friends?
I prefer traveling with friends.
What's the best place you've ever visited?
Paris was incredible.
Do you like road trips?
Yes, they're so fun.
How do you usually travel?
By plane or train.
Have you ever been on a cruise?
No, but I want to.
Do you like trying new foods when you travel?
Yes, I love it.
What's the first thing you do when you arrive in a new city?
I explore the local markets.
Do you prefer luxury hotels or budget stays?
Budget stays, so I can travel more.
Have you ever missed a flight?
Yes, once it was stressful.
What do you always pack when traveling?
My camera and a travel guide.
Do you like planning trips or being spontaneous? I like a mix of both. Have you ever lost your luggage?
No, luckily.
What's the longest trip you've ever taken?
3 weeks in Europe.
Do you prefer traveling in summer or winter?
Summer is the best.
What's one country you really want to visit?
I really want to see Australia.
Do you like traveling for adventure or relaxation?
A bit of both.
Have you ever gone on a safari?
No, but I'd love to.
Do you buy souvenirs when you travel?
Yes, small ones.
Have you ever had a bad travel experience?
Yes, I got lost once.
Do you like traveling by train?
Yes, it's comfortable.
What's your favorite travel memory?
Watching the sunset in Santorini.
Would you rather visit a city or a village?
A city with history.
Do you want to travel more this year?
Yes, as much as possible.
Where should we travel together next?
Let's go to Thailand. Let me know in the comments which sentence was your favorite, or share your practice sentences with me.
How was your trip to the USA?
It was amazing.
Which cities did you visit?
New York, Los Angeles, and Miami.
What was your favorite city?
New York was incredible.
Did you visit the Statue of Liberty?
Yes, it was beautiful.
How was the food?
Delicious. I loved the burgers.
Did you try American pizza?
Yes, New York pizza is the best.
How was the weather there?
It was mostly sunny.
Did you go shopping?
Yes, I bought a lot of clothes.
What was the best part of your trip?
Visiting Times Square at night.
Did you visit Hollywood?
Yes, I even saw the Walk of Fame.
How was the traffic in the USA?
Very busy, especially in LA.
Did you rent a car?
No, we used public transport.
How were the people there?
Friendly and helpful.
Did you try American coffee?
Yes, but I prefer my usual coffee.
Was it expensive?
Yes, but worth it.
Did you go to Disney World?
Yes, it was magical.
How was the nightlife in the USA?
Amazing, so many bars and clubs.
Did you go to any museums?
Yes, the Smithsonian was great.
Did you visit any beaches?
Yes, Miami Beach was perfect.
How was the flight back home?
Long but comfortable.
Did you try any street food?
Yes, the hot dogs were great.
Did you see any celebrities?
No, but I kept looking.
Was it easy to get around?
Yes, the subway helped a lot.
Did you make any new friends?
Yes, I met some nice people.
What surprised you the most?
The huge portion sizes.
Did you see the Grand Canyon?
No, maybe next time.
Would you visit the USA again?
Definitely.
What did you bring back as souvenirs?
T-shirts, magnets, and keychains.
What was the funniest moment of your trip?
Getting lost in Times Square.
Where do you want to go next?
Maybe Europe.
Did you watch any live sports games?
Yes, I saw an NBA game.
How was American fast food?
Tasty, but too much.
Did you take a lot of photos?
Yes, my phone is full.
What was the biggest cultural difference?
Everything felt so fast-paced.
Did you bring me a souvenir?
Of course, here's a keychain. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more English learning videos.